Joining Coyote was just, I couldn't say no. I was like, I'm up for adventure. I love hiking. I didn't hesitate for a second.
The CDT has been definitely the most challenging trail by far.
Like, a bear's really big. How is it picking individual berries? Like, what does that look like?
The forest started to vibrate, and at first I thought I was like losing it.
Holy shit.
You know how much effort that takes?
Studying the map was already too much.